After morning clouds, the sun came out nice and strong today.
It felt good. It looked good. Chief Meteorologist Tony Petracca is in the Weather Center. It's not going to stay super sunny, though, in the coming days. Right, Tony?
Yeah, changes next couple of days, Brian and Kim. Actually, tomorrow is an umbrella day. It's really mostly rain, and any snow is really not until much later tomorrow night, after midnight. Pre-dawn Friday. So take a look outside, which is still pretty nice. I mean, temperatures a lot better, closer to average. We topped down in the upper 40s to around 50. It was a smidge cooler in places like Newport, and the reason why we had the breeze off the ocean, which of course is still chilly this time of year. So it was in the lower 40s in Newport. In fact, you see the high today, 42 in Newport, while it made it to 50 in Smithfield. Obviously, no ocean influence up here. 46 in Providence. We have temperatures still mild for tomorrow, and that's why any precipitation on Thursday initially is in the form of rain. So we are dry now through tonight and into early tomorrow morning. Mostly rain with some snow towards the tail end. Here's how it breaks down. Rain tomorrow, mainly afternoon, evening, and tomorrow night. And then switching over to wet snow after midnight into the pre-dawn hours of Friday. In fact, I do expect the sun to come back out by Friday afternoon, and it sets up for a nicer weekend. As far as accumulations, again, this won't be realized until much later tomorrow night into early Friday morning. And it's not a lot, but I would say Providence south, anywhere from a slushy coating to an inch. And then Providence points north and west in the higher elevations, 1 to 2. And the reason why, it's colder here, for starters, later tomorrow night. And this is the first place to switch over to some wet snow. And again, sunshine comes out by Friday afternoon, starts to melt some of that. Mainly sunny, some clouds off to our south and west. You take a look at the satellite photo, which is fairly quiet across New England. This is our storm system, our precipitation for Thursday and Friday. This is an outbreak, unfortunately, of severe weather and tornadoes across the deep south. Of course, we're not getting that kind of severe weather, obviously, but we will get this moisture arriving here by tomorrow afternoon and into tomorrow evening. So let me step you through it hour by hour and watch the time bar right up in here. You see the clouds increasing tonight. Now, we start the day off tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. cloudy and dry. So the morning commute is fine. There's no visibility issues or travel speeds and things like that. And then notice the green coming in by late morning and early afternoon. This is widespread rain, heavy at times. This is the evening commute tomorrow, 5, 6, 7 o'clock. It is raining. Tomorrow night at 11 o'clock, the green is still rain, but notice north and west, we start to see some of this light blue indicating that transition over to some wet snow. So for tonight, it's fairly quiet. Temperatures actually not bad by 6 in the morning in the mid-30s. And for tomorrow morning, sun up just before 7 a.m. with cloudy skies. Initially, we're dry. And then by late morning and certainly by noontime, we start to get into some rain. And then it's a widespread rain coming up for tomorrow afternoon. And looking at temperatures reaching the upper 40s to around 50. So grab the umbrellas, and that'll continue into tomorrow night. So for your Friday, actually a better part of Friday is going to end up being dry. It's the very early morning hours, still some leftover snow. One thing we should note, it'll be very, very windy and sharply colder for Friday. A weekend is a lot better. Sunshine both Saturday and Sunday, giving the edge to Sunday just for the simple fact that it's warmer with high temperatures well into the 50s. Brian and Kim?